For our case study, we have disassembled an HP laptop computer, model number DV2500, and we'll be discussing the different possible ways the components were manufactured.
So first I'll be talking about the case and the keyboard. The case of this laptop is a combination of different processes. We believe the plastic components on this case were most likely made by injection molding. This is evidenced by the visible parting lines and ejector pin marks found at different locations of the components. Also, we believe there's another possibility. Another possible process could be die casting. However, one of the main reasons for die casting a part is for higher material strength. So consider that this part is made of plastic. Injection molding would be a more efficient choice in terms of resources. As for the keyboard, the sheet metal parts of these components were most likely manufactured through several different sheet metal processes. We believe it was first punched at these locations, then stamped and bent at certain locations. Another possible process could be roll forming, but considering the complex geometry of these sheets, a higher production rate can be achieved by applying the sheet metal progressively on one machine rather than switching stations.
We believe the top of the motherboard was most likely manufactured through reflow soldering because of the high number of components. Reflow soldering for this part will be much more time and cost efficient rather than soldering each component separately. The motherboard is integrated into the bottom half of the case, and we will not be able to separate them without damaging either parts. By inspection though, we can see that various components on the motherboard show evidence of wave soldering. For example, the component on this chip shows signs of wave soldering underneath, evident by the pins and the solder. So it is safe to assume that most components in the assembly were also wave soldered due to its high efficiency. The wiring used in the laptop was most likely manufactured through a drawing process. Drawing is a much more cost and time efficient way to manufacture wires of uniform shape. The plastic adapters on the wires also have little ejector pin marks on them, which is evidence of injection molding. Although we weren't able to completely disassemble the LCD monitor of the laptop, we're aware that it consists of several layers of film. With that said, we believe these layers of film were manufactured through extrusion using a flat die. It is a very fast and efficient process, thus making extrusion the best choice for making thin layers of film.